At 3 a.m., the final filing deadline passed, and the truth about her business partner's betrayal was locked away. What happened next will change everything. My name is Sarah, and this is the story of how I uncovered a web of deceit that nearly destroyed my life. It all started with a seemingly innocuous missed court filing deadline. By March 12, the lease for our new office space was signed. The business, which I co-founded with my partner, Michael, was supposed to be the realization of our shared dreams. But little did I know, the first red flag was already waving in the wind. On April 15, the first court filing deadline for our business was missed. Initially, I thought it was just an oversight. But by May 10, when the second deadline was missed, I began to suspect something more sinister. I decided to dig deeper. The accountant, who processed the wire transfers, had noticed some discrepancies in the financial records. On June 1, I requested a detailed bank statement from our joint account. The statement showed a series of large, unexplained withdrawals. The first withdrawal, on February 28, was for $75,000. The second, on March 15, was for $60,000. And the third, on April 1, was for $50,000. These amounts were substantial, and they were all transferred to an LLC registered in Delaware. I cross-referenced the LLC with the state registry and found that it was owned by a shell company. The shell company, in turn, was linked to an offshore account. I was beginning to see the full picture. By June 15, I had gathered enough evidence to confront Michael. The conversation was tense. Michael denied any wrongdoing, but his evasive answers only deepened my suspicion. I decided to take legal action. On July 1, I filed a lawsuit against Michael for embezzlement. The court set a hearing for August 1. In the meantime, I continued to investigate. I discovered that Michael had also been forging signatures on important documents. The first forged signature, on January 10, was on a power of attorney document. The second, on February 1, was on a corporate resolution. And the third, on March 1, was on a loan agreement. Each forgery was meticulously crafted, making it difficult to detect. By July 15, I had gathered enough evidence to present to the court. The hearing on August 1 was a turning point. The judge ordered a full investigation into Michael's activities. The investigation revealed that Michael had been siphoning funds from our business for years. The total amount, as of August 1, was over $1 million. The betrayal was staggering. But the most shocking discovery came on August 10. I found a hidden safety deposit box key in Michael's office. The key was labeled with a code that matched the LLC in Delaware. What I found inside the safety deposit box will change everything.